everyone. It is Tuesday, so what does that mean?
T-Mobile Tuesday.
Well, T-Mobile Tuesday, but also it's Taco Tuesday. I'm going to be making tacos. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make it. I'm going to make them in the InstaPot, so I'm going to put my hair up. And I'm going to show you guys how I make it. Okay, so chicken, it says breast 6 to 8 minutes per pound. So that's 4 pounds. So 24 minutes for the chicken. I'm going to start that right now. I'm going to put them in the InstaPot with some water, a cup of water. And actually I'm going to do 2 cups. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of chicken stock. I'm going to add a pepper, and I'm going to add onion and garlic to give flavor to the chicken stock as well, because maybe I can use it as well to make, maybe I can make like chicken soup or something. I don't know. It's hot outside. It's like 100 degrees, so maybe not. But I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. Stand by. Okay, so I'm going to cut the onion. So honestly, it doesn't really matter like how you cut the onion. It's just going to go in there. So usually I just do like maybe 3 small pieces. And it's only about 1/3 of an onion. So it's just your flavor. That's how much you're going to put in there. That's it. It's just literally in there like that. You want also some type of, I usually do jalapeno. So you want some type of like pepper flavor in there. So I'm just going to take one of these. It's just a regular sweet pepper. And I'm going to throw it in there. I'm also going to do an orange one. Just again to give them some flavor. So I'm also going to do garlic. I bought this garlic thing and it's just not working out that great. So I'm gonna do 2 cloves of garlic. Ooh, there's 1 and 2. And you want to peel it. You just kind of smash it so that all the little paper comes out. And then you want to make sure you cut that top piece so it's like this. Okay, so I'm going to add a cup of chicken stock, because you want liquid on your InstaPot. You can't just put it in there without liquid or else your chicken will burn. And then 1 cup of just regular water. Perfect. That looks good. And remember, pretty much the chicken breasts are going to also produce a lot of liquid, so don't worry about it not having a lot of liquid in there. It'll work out, trust me. So I'm going to put this to the side. So I was going to show you guys real quick. This is going to take about 24-25 minutes. So while that's cooking, I'm just going to eat a snack. But these are tortillas I'm going to use. Make sure they're a little thicker. Let me show you guys the difference. So these are your standard tortillas. I went to the Superior Market. I just grabbed these. They're pretty standard. Let me take one out because I really want you guys to see the difference. So when I make tacos with this tortilla, it's very like flimsy. Like if I do that, it's very flimsy. The tacos will not really work out with these. They'll kind of come apart. So you want to get a thicker one. I get these. They're the Romero's whole grain king size. So they're king size. And these are a lot thicker. So I don't know if you can see the difference, but yeah, see, they're a little bit thicker. They're a little bit better. Like if you see how this kind of gives a little, this one I feel does not. This is just a better product for your tacos. So I recommend getting a thicker tortilla for your tacos. So yeah, let's put the chicken in here and let's start the InstaPot. 20 minutes, 24 minutes for delicious chicken. Cooked chicken. So I got these half breast with the ribs. So we're gonna take it out, and we're gonna shred it anyway, so you don't need to worry about the bone. You'll just take it out. And I'm gonna leave the skin on because that gives it some flavor. I'm just gonna leave the skin on. I'm gonna do all 4 because we're gonna shred everything. We're gonna use some for tacos, and then the rest we're gonna use for fajitas for tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of salt in here, and I'm gonna put a bay leaf in there too. Just to give it a little bit of flavor. So we're going to put this on. There you go. It looks good. Do meat, and then I'm going to do 24 minutes. And then you just let it do its thing. Oh, make sure that this is in the non-venting, so the ceiling. There we go. And you just let it do its thing for 24 minutes. Okay, so this is what it currently looks like. Shredded the chicken. I seasoned it with Lawry's. Let me show you guys what that is. It's this here. So I seasoned it with this, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and now I'm gonna make the tacos. And I'll just show you guys the end product once I'm done. And this is how the tacos, how they end up. They're really good. Now we get to eat. Let me actually try one.